All right, so let's talk about this navigation up top here, and I've just enabled all the things that currently exist in the navigation because what I want to talk about is, reducing the clutter here. This looks pretty messy with all, like most of these are drop downs, and then once I hit the schools, then I can't access the gallery one right below here. And so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to essentially reduce what's placed into here. So before I do that, I need to actually go to this main content settings, and you may not be seeing this main content settings, but what I'm going to enable is actually this side navigation here. Now you might have done a redesign or upgraded your template because you no longer want the side navigation. But it's not just placing the side navigation, to the left or to the right or anything like that. We also have these homepage only ones, which just means that that navigation will only appear on this homepage. So let me do homepage only left, and when I scroll down, you see we only have this navigation right here. And then when I click on, say, this training page, the page is actually full width, the navigation's gone. So that navigation only appears on the home page. So this is extremely useful because now I can just open up the navigation editor and then throw everything right into that navigation, right into the left side navigation. So we only have four, let's see, one, two, three, four. Let's just say I just want these four in there and I have the rest of those in that navigation. Okay, so clutter has been reduced for this top nav up here, and now we're seeing navigation here, and it's only going to be for this home page again. So everything looks a little bit, a little bit nicer, a lot less cluttered. Let me just do one last thing here. I'm gonna turn off these training page and training portal, and then move these into the left side navigation. And I'm only doing that because these are actually icons in the icon navigation. And so now I have room for two more in that top navigation. So let's go ahead and move academies and parents and students up there. Okay, so a little bit nicer now. And now we have our navigation that's the side navigation that's less cluttered as well. But we can do a little bit more with that. Let's go ahead and move everything that doesn't have a drop down. So this gallery and enrollment. Let's move enrollment upward so that everything that doesn't have a drop down is up on top so it's not covered or anything like that. And then side drop, more side drops. Great. And again, that's only going to appear on the home page. Once I actually go into one of these, say this enrollment, for example, that it actually goes away so we can view this content full width.